Let's quickly get familiar with more useful controls here and then start working with Microsoft Word and VBA together. I expand my form. We have a spin button. It is similar to a scroll bar, but there is no scroll bar. You could increase or decrease the value. Again, it has small changes. We don't have large change anymore because we don't have any scroll area. As an example, I set 4 and still we have min value, let's say 6, and max value maybe 72 top. And the value is showing how much it is setting. For example, I create a label and I want to assign the value based on that for font size of my label. So I double click on the spin button and I say label 1 dot font dot size equal to spin button 1 dot value. Let's run. And there it is. Of course, it is getting much larger than the area it has. Allow me to resize the form, bring it here and label. All right, run it. And there it is, up to 72 and 6. And note that because my steps are based on the 4, so better to calculate some steps be matched with these changes. For example, if we set the step 10, better to set minimum values 10 and maximum maybe 90, and the small change set to 10 to increase or decrease the value by 10 step and be correct value. Okay,